guys, we're going to review this EBL portable power station today, and then at the end I'm going to tell you how you can win this bad boy for free. So definitely stay to the end, and now let's get into reviewing it. So first off, we're going to just go through all the accessories of this EBL 330 watt portable power station. It comes with the manual, which I think is very descriptive, and I would suggest reading through. I'll just show you a little bit of the manual here. And then it comes with the MC4 connector cable for solar, so you can charge your portable power station with a portable solar panel or just a regular solar panel. I will link below a portable solar panel that works well with this little guy here, and then an AC wall plug power adapter, which is great because you can charge your portable power station at home before you go camping. And then also a car charger cable here, so if you're on the go and you need to charge it in your car, you totally can do that as well. And what I also just want to highlight about this is not all portable power stations come with these accessories, so this is a great feature to this portable power station to consider when you're wanting to purchase it. So now for the exciting part, we're going to turn on the portable power station. So first you want to turn on the full portable power station by turning on this little red button here. So as you can see, the display here is the battery life. So at this moment it's 100% battery life. You have to turn on each output separately, so you have to press, let's for example say the DC, so you press the DC and it's green here, so you know it's on. And then it also says DC on the display screen, which is also super handy, might I point out. So there's 3 DC outputs here, and then we're going to turn on the USB one. So again, the same thing, you turn it on and it's green, so you know it's on. There's 3 USB type A ports on this portable power station, and they are a QC 3.0, and then it has one type C PD60, which is fast charging, and then has an AC outlet, so we're going to power that on. So again, you just press this little guy here and it turns green. Again, there is only one AC outlet, but I just wanted to point out you could plug in a power strip to this, and then you'd have more AC outlets to use if that's what you so desire. I will link one down below in the description that works well with this portable power station. And then we're going to highlight the input little guy here. So this is where you charge the portable power station with those accessories that this portable power station comes with. So that guy is here, and that is just a good thing to note that it's there. It has a really nice sturdy handle, and it also has a flashlight button here, so you can press on. And it's just a regular flashlight if you just press it once, and then if you press it twice, it is the SOS feature of a flashlight, and then you can just turn it off. It has a wireless charger option here, so if you want to just charge your phone without any cords, it has one of those, so that's super handy. And not all portable power stations have that, so I would just keep that in mind when you're wanting to purchase a portable power station, or this one specifically. That is a great feature for this one. And then this portable power station also has AC pure sine wave inverter in it, so that's of course what you want in any portable power station. I would just across the board, if you're purchasing a portable power station, always look for that AC pure sine wave inverter, because it will charge your electronics a lot more seamlessly than a modified one would. But it also has pass-through charging, so you can charge any device while you're charging your power station. So that's also super handy and a thing to note when you're wanting to purchase this portable power station, because that is just super handy. So now we're just going to get into the price of this portable power station, because currently in America off Amazon, from the time that this video is made, it is $199, and there's also a 30% off coupon code, so I'd jump on it while you still can. The price also may vary if you have Prime or don't have Prime, and that's the price of not having Prime, so just keep that in mind when you press the link below, that the price may vary. Again, obviously, I would not suggest this to power your whole home. This is not what this bad boy is meant for. It's also not meant to power your whole tiny home either. It just does not have enough power for that. But what I would suggest it for is if you go through a lot of power outages in the area you live in, because I know this happens a lot in the Midwest. I hear about it all the time. This is great to charge your smaller devices. It's great even if you want to run a mini fridge too, or even just hook your full fridge up to during a power outage. It's also great if you just want to charge your devices on a camping trip for a couple days. You still will have a whole bunch of charge left from it, but it's also just like really lightweight. So bringing it on a trip is also super handy. And I would also suggest purchasing this if you are going on a long road trip soon with your kids, because this can charge up all their devices at the same time and you don't have to worry about them dying, and they can just have a seamless car trip with you. So I'm going to just give you some examples of charging times that this can give you from the manual. So it can charge a laptop for about 5.9 recharges. You can charge your phone about 24 times depending on the wattage. And then you can run a 32-inch TV for around 4 hours, and then around 6 hours for a mini fridge. It takes to charge this bad boy depending on which outlet you use. So for a wall outlet, it's 6 to 7 hours it'll charge for, and then it'll 7 to 9 hours for a car charger. And then from a solar panel, it is 5 to 7 hours depending on the solar conditions. So just keep that in mind. And again, I will have a portable solar panel linked below in the description, like I mentioned earlier. And then the operating temperatures, so the discharging can range from 14 degrees to 104 degrees. And the charging can be between 32 to 104. And then the period of warranty of this portable power station is 12 months from the date of purchase. And the weight of this bad boy approximately is 7 pounds without accessories, and then with accessories it's about 9 pounds. So again, keep that in mind as well. And then I want to conclude this review part in just discussing the list of things that I believe are standout features and make this a better, smaller portable power station in comparison to the other ones. So first off, the wireless charger. This is one of my favorite features, and not all small portable power stations have this feature either, so I just wanted to highlight this one. And then the pass-through charging. The fact that you can charge this at the same time as your device is also super handy, and again, not all portable power stations have this type of technology in them, so also a great feature. And then the PD60 fast charging option is also super great as well, because it'll get your devices charged up in no time whatsoever, so that's also great. And then the fact that it only weighs 7 pounds, I seriously cannot stress this enough. I absolutely love this feature of this power station, just because, again, if you're camping, you don't want to bring a big bulky one. This is great for that. Like, I'm being serious. And then even carrying it around, again, is super easy because it's just got this big handle, and again, it's super sturdy, so I really like that as well. So Mr. Milo, do you think they should buy this portable power station? What do you think? Yeah? You think so? You think so? What do you think? Get into how to win this bad boy. So first off, I just wanted to preface that I really want to get monetized on this YouTube channel, so I need to hit 1,000 subscribers. And as me and my husband review products outside of Amazon, we get a whole bunch of things for free all the time. So that is why we are able to give this bad boy away for free at no charge to ourselves. So really it is a win-win situation for everybody, because we get to give back and somebody else gets to obviously get this portable power station. So all you have to do is subscribe to my channel and then subscribe to his solar channel, which will be linked below. And then also the most important part is to comment below, because we will be choosing the winner from the comments. There will be more details in the description below, so check those out as well, because we can't unfortunately give this to anybody outside of America or anybody that's not in the lower 48 states, just because we can't ship this unfortunately. But yeah, so just keep that in mind and check those rules for sure in the description. And thanks again for watching, and we will see you guys in the next video.